Thursday's morning work. We have 3 4/5, plus 4 3/4. 5 and 4 are our denominators. They are not like, so we need to find a common denominator. We find a common denominator by going through our 5 and 4 facts. 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm going to go through our 4 facts. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I see a 20 on top and a 20 on the bottom. So our common denominator is 20. We get to 20 by doing 5 times 4. So we must bring that up. Now 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. So bring it up top. 3 times 5 equals 15. Now we have our common denominator, so add 16 plus 15. You put it over 20, and you add 3 plus 4. Your next one, 5 4/7 minus 1 1/4. Our denominators are 7 and 4, so we have to find a common denominator. 7, 4. Going through our facts, 7, 14, 21, 28. Now let's go through our 4 facts. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So 28 on the top, 28 on the bottom. That is our common denominator. We get to 28 by doing 7 times 4. Bring it up top. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 7 equals 28. 1 times 7 equals 7. Now we have a common denominator, so subtract 16 minus 7. Put it over 28, and then do 5 minus 1. Find the volume. You have a width of 8, a height of 7, and a length of 5. We find the volume by multiplying these 3 numbers together. Your next one, evaluate. So we have PEMDAS. The first thing we solve for is parentheses. 20 minus 16 divided by 4 times 2 plus, in the parentheses, we have 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Our next part, exponents. We don't see any exponents. So now we go ahead to multiplication. 20 minus 16 divided by 4. Now we have times 2. We have to solve 16 divided by 4. So 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Now we bring along everything with it. Now we can multiply 4 times 2. So we have 20 minus 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 3. Now you can go from left to right. Go ahead and subtract 20 minus 8 and then add 3, and that will be your answer. Your last one, Tamar sleeps 8 hours each night. How many hours does he sleep in a week? We know that there are 7 days in a week. He's sleeping 8 hours each night. So to solve this, we have to do 7 times 8, and that will give us the amount of hours he sleeps in a week.